Hello office executives, I was given a task that I want to sort the names according to their name length and not not sorting based on their character appearance. So if we just select all these names here and then we go to sort and filter, if I just click on this sort A to Z, so see Ochinto Haldar but Ashish Das, his text length is a smaller one than Ochinto Haldar. So Ashish Das should appear before Ochinto Haldar. So that is the problem set scenario which we are going to solve. Let me press Ctrl Z from our keyboard. Now we will be inserting a new column, a helper column. Now what I will be doing is that we will be simply writing here length, and we will be using a text function known by the name of len, which extracts the length of a particular cell, the characters in it. Now let's press enter, drag all the way across to the down. Fine. Now select all of this data, go to sort and filter, go to custom sort, and now we want to sort by length from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest, that is ascending or descending, whatever, whichever way you feel like. Simply click on OK. So see, though Jibon Roy J comes after A, but since the Jibon Roy is his length is its length is 9, it is appearing fast. So now we don't need this B column anymore, so we can simply right click on it and then delete this particular helper column. So that's all for this particular Excel video. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you all guys and happy coding.